Hey Jezidol gang, and welcome back to another vlog. Last vlog I did mention that I had to drop off some, this is a puzzle, things to the thrift store, so we definitely got that basket and bag of shoes dropped off. So now I'm currently at TJ Maxx on my weekly scroll, and yeah, we're just gonna see what we can find in here. I definitely want a new journal, but I just haven't found one that fits what I'm looking for. Oh, this kind of does. Oh, this is a planner. Let's see. Where? Oh, how cute is this? It's a lemon zest candle. Smell good. What's this? It smells good. Hey Jezidol gang, girl, it's the next day. I didn't buy anything from TJ Maxx, but I did find Aiden some all white for our family reunion event that's going on Saturday. So I will show it to you. Girl, I still got my sleeping clothes on. We actually finna get ready to go get our nails and toes done today. So I found this period set at Belk's and it was 40% off. I am obsessed with this like neckline. Hello, it's like a linen blend, and it has the option where you can tie, you can roll up the sleeves or wear them regular. I love this, y'all. So cute. Came with the linen pants. Little period. It does have the stretchy waistband where you can adjust it. And then the button, I love the details. It's perfect. So cute. My baby gonna be so handsome. But oh, I gotta show y'all my dress too. And so this is my dress. Girl, I ordered this dress from Shein. I can't wait. I hope that I can get some really good pictures in this dress and tag them in it. Of course, most of my clothes that I order from them is sponsored, but I purchased this with my own money. So it's like a tie around the neck with the little bow situation, and it flares out. Which y'all know these dresses are super trendy right now, and it has the corset in the back so you can really snatch that waist in if need be. I really like her. I haven't worn it. Oh, and it come with the can slip. So this is what's making it big and poofy. Love that. Down to the ground. Double line, not see-through. Like, good quality. Yeah, leave this linked down in my description box if you really like this. I'll leave the the item code on the screen, and I'll also link it down below. Plan to do a red lip with this look, and I've had these shoes for a long time. These are just a pair of shoes that I pulled out the closet from Target. I got these on the way back from New Orleans from their Target, and they were $20.99 a few years ago. I actually have a vlog when I actually went in and purchased them. If I can find that vlog, I'll link it. But I wear these cute little kitten heels, because you know TT don't you know, I don't really be wearing them real high heels nowadays. Give me a cute little low, sexy, feminine, you know, classy heel. So I'm gonna do these with a red lip. And because of how the dress is made, more than likely I'm gonna wear my hair in a bun. I really wanted to wear my hair down and wear my little white cowboy hat that I showed y'all, but oh, I didn't get to show y'all. Let me finish showing y'all the items that in the last vlog I was supposed to show y'all, but I ran out of memory, so I didn't get to show y'all. This is one of the hats that I have recently purchased. I picked this hat up from Ross for less than $20. I absolutely love her. She's just a black staple cowboy hat. Like, love her. And so this is the one that I thought I was gonna be able to wear with my all white, but it don't really go. But baby, she is so clean and classy, fresh and nice. And girl, guess where I got her from? C-I-T-I, City Trend. I need for this. Yeah, baby. C-I-T-I 999. Thank you. Can't wait to serve looks in these, but I don't know. I might still try to figure out a way to wear her this weekend, some type of way. But we'll figure it out. But yeah, so yeah, I purchased that, and then I got these from Walmart for $10. Cute little platform, cause comfortable. I also picked up this boxy tee from Walmart. It just says cherry on the front, but I had plans to, you know, dress this up real cute with some trousers and some cute little sunnies, yeah, and put my little cherry bag charm on my bag. This up from Target, girl, was on sale for what, $4. So it's plain, but I was like, you know, I can just throw this on, you know, style this shirt up with some jewelry, some shades, and some, you know, cute little jeans. Then y'all, I literally, earlier in this video, I showed y'all that I dumped a whole bunch of clothes off at the thrift store. I really still have a lot of clothes that I probably could take. I've never worn this. It's so cute. I got it from Shein, but it's really just too short. Like, if I lift my arms, hello? So this is one of them things you just gotta wear and keep your arms down and just, you know, keep it cute. But I really need to give this away. It's a 1X. She cute now. If anybody want this, definitely message me, let me know. I just send it to you, or I'll meet you somewhere. If you live in this my same hometown, you can have it. It's a 1X, brand new. She cute. That's all I got. So I'm gonna get ready to get myself together so we can head to the nail salon, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we are all dressed, and the sun was out. It was beautiful, and now it's gone. So I got my umbrella. Let's head into the nail shop. Whew. My nails is done. I'm gonna show y'all a better picture of them. Actually, I already showed y'all. I just picked up some Chipotle. That when I tell you, it's so good. Something real spicy up in here today, though. But it's good. Look at that cilantro and that darn guac. Chew up. Hey, Jezero gang. Today is Friday, girl. It's family reunion time, girl. It starts at 5. I just left the shop. I just have to run in here to Sam's. Ooh, what's going on with that plane? And it's low. Y'all look at that plane. Oh, y'all can't see it, but girl, what? That's kind of fun. Hopefully everything be alright. But we're gonna run in here and get some buns and some condiments, and then go ahead and just go home and get ready. Y'all, it is hot today, baby. It is hot to. What I did with the keys that quick? The sun. It's busy today. People out shopping and back to school shopping and things. But anyway, let me get on in here. I'll call you back. I will have to get one of these. Oh my God, it hurt my damn fingers. What a blessing it is to live 80 years on this earth. So my neighbor turned 80 years old Saturday, you guys, and when I tell you her family did their thing decorating this place, it was so beautiful. The food was so good, and I truly love my neighbor like my grandmother. Okay, so now I'm just going to share a few photos from my family reunion this weekend. Y'all, when I tell y'all this weekend was so needed, I definitely enjoyed myself to the fullest. Like, my heart is so full just being around family, sharing memories, looking at old photos. Like, it was such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weekend. But I'm going to let the rest of these videos play, and I shall return. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side. If you made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.